dust!
He sought to prove that
Rainbow dust!
commonly held
Wow!
beliefs of the time, people did not die by simply falling through the air. He hoped this demonstration would encourage people to be willing to jump from burning buildings into
Why
the
is he
safety
angry
net in the
at
incident of a fire, as people were too distrusting of this idea at the time. He also hoped to achieve some fame in proving it was safe. But unfortunately, any hopes he'd had of reassuring people about the safety of leaping from great heights were soon dashed when it came time to
It's
jump.
too big,
As
so I can
Otto leapt from the
go
bridge's roadway 130 feet up, he attempted to stay straight in the air, but a strong wind blew him into a diagonal angle of descent. This meant, when he eventually struck the water, the angle of impact slapping the water at approximately 62 miles per hour, it exerted enough force to rupture his spleen, liver, and kidneys, and break several of his ribs. The official cause of death, however, was declared to be concussion. On the bright side, people now know that rapidly falling doesn't kill you as much as the landing. In the words of British TV legend Jeremy Clarkson, speed has never killed anyone. Suddenly becoming stationary, that's what gets you. Hazard prevention. Sometimes you really have to wonder about people's sense of
Rainbow
logic.
dust!
Case in point, two guys who